I'm so happy to welcome you to my channel. My name is Hanna and today we are going to draw a branch with leaves using my custom Procreate brush set. For this tutorial I'll be working on the sketch canvas from my Lines and Dots Procreate Kit. You can download the sketch and the reference image from the link in the description below. Let's start by placing the sketch above all the layers and changing its blending mode to multiply. After that, select the Draw Here layer. Now take the Dot Line 2 brush, set the brush size to about 59%, choose a black color and begin outlining the contour of all the leaves along with the stem. Carefully trace over the sketch with the same brush, also filling thin of the leaves and draw the vein. Next, switch to the Stipple brush 2, keep the brush size at 59% and fill each leaf with a single layer of dots. This will create our lighter areas. Now switch to the Stipple brush 1, 59% size and start working on the mid-tones as well as the darker shadows. Move your brush over the same areas several times to create denser clusters of dots. Keep an eye on the reference while you work. To better understand where the shadows fall, you can even turn the reference image into black and white and increase the contrast for clarity. let's go back to the Dot Line 2 brush and refine the stem. With this brush we'll also enhance the veins and deepen some of the shadows to create more contrast. Once that's done, turn off the sketch layer and add just a few extra details to make the illustration look complete and polished. And that's it. We've finished our illustration. I'm so glad we got to paint together today. If you'd like even more tutorials, you can find them on my Patreon. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.